Hello, good morning. My name is Prakash Kumar Singh and I will be teaching a topic of class 6, that is India, location and physical feature. So first of all, we will deal with the topic starting and presenting you with the map of India, physical map of India. So here is the physical map of India and we can see on the northern point there is Ladakh in Jammu and Kashmir, which is surrounded by Himalayas. The northern region is surrounded by the Himalayas and the southern part is near Kanyakumari, which is a triangular base with Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east and Indian Ocean in the south. We have Gujarat as the westernmost state of India and Arunachal Pradesh at the easternmost side. So what we are looking for is we are going to be studying about the physical features in India. So we must know that the longitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minutes north in the southern part and 37 degree 6 minute north on the northern side. In the eastern hemisphere, we are lying at 68 degree 7 minute east and on the easternmost side at 97 degree 25 minute east. So these are the 4 points which define the physical boundary of India. We are not just defined by these 4 boundaries. We have Andaman and Nicobar, which is our island base in the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. We have our neighbors starting clockwise is Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is our neighboring country which is not connected with us through land. Ram Setu connect it, but it is also break at certain point. So now we will study about some more physical features that are present in India. So once again we will require the map of India. So if we will see this map, we can easily define that the northern states in India, that is Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim, part of West Bengal, and Assam and Arunachal Pradesh lies in the Himalayan region. If we look at the northern plain, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal along with some parts of Assam lies in the plains. If we look at the Deccan-most part of India, that is the peninsular plateau, we will see Rajasthan, part of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Orissa, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, parts of Kerala and Tamil Nadu that will lie in the peninsular plateau. And if you will look at the coastline of India, which is huge, starting from Gujarat, then towards Maharashtra, then towards Karnataka, then towards Kerala, then towards Tamil Nadu, followed by Andhra Pradesh, Orissa and West Bengal. These are the coastline of India. If we look at the capital of India, which is Delhi, it lies in the northern plain of India. It is surrounded, it is a landlocked city which is surrounded by Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. In the western part is surrounded by Haryana and eastern part is surrounded by Uttar Pradesh. If we will see the other physical features of India, which will include the islands present in the Bay of Bengal and the islands present in the Arabian Sea. These are the two sets of islands which are present. And if we go on a political division of India, we can see many states and union territories. Once again, if you will go by map, the map of Jammu and Kashmir is updated with Jammu and Kashmir as Union Territory and Ladakh as Union Territory. Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and parts of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh in the plains. Then we have our plateau region, then we have our coastline region, that is the eastern coast and the western coast. Then we have along the Bay of Bengal, we have Port Blair as capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island and Karavati as capital of Lakshadweep. So these are the political maps. In total, we have 28 states and 9 union territories. Our capital, New Delhi, is also a union territory. The state which is presently present in the political division of India keeps on changing. For example, in 2000, we have a division of Uttar Pradesh and we get Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh as 2 states. Then we have a division of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. The 2 states come from the state of Madhya Pradesh. We also have Jharkhand and Bihar separated from Bihar. We have Telangana and Andhra Pradesh separated from Andhra Pradesh. So these are the political divisions that are present in India. Now we will look toward the physical division. The physical division comprises of the northern Himalayas, then we have the northern plains, then we have the Deccan Plateau. What we are forgetting is also an important part. The parts of Rajasthan which cover the Thar Desert. Thar Desert is located in Rajasthan and this is the only deserted area in our country. We have Thar Desert as desert area, 2 sets of islands as Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep. We have a long coastline starting from Gujarat and ending towards West Bengal. We have Deccan Plateau, we have Vindhya range, we have Aravalli range and we have Chota Nagpur region. These are the boundary defining hills which are present in the northern part of Peninsula Plateau. So this is how we conclude.